Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the vibration strength on the RealMe Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings cog and then scroll down to the bottom and tap General. In the General settings, tap Vibration Strength. Here you can choose between strong and soft. Choose your preference and then tap the tick. The watch will vibrate when the change has taken effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more RealMe Watch tips and tricks.